So we did a little work on this project. Got the backing plates on. Now all I have to do, I got to weld it on the other side over here and over here. Now I just got to do it, run a bead along the top and run a few stitch welds in here to finish this up. And yeah, then this will be ready to get the actual John Deere quick attach pin mounts on, welded on. So this is coming along nicely. If you don't remember on this, I took a frame, this frame here, that I had somebody make for me years ago, before I had my own equipment. And this was made for a Kioti CK25 tractor. And we had it set up, see this right here, I had it set up. I had a 6.5 foot Meyer snowplow with a power angle on it. So that mounted in these pins right here and the chain hook there, and worked great. But I sold that tractor and we downsized to a John Deere 2305, and believe it or not, the loader arms are wider than on the John Deere than they were on the Kioti. So what I had to do is widen out the frame. As you can see right there, we had to widen the frame out that much on each side in order to get the John Deere mounts, because they're 47.5 pin, center pin to center pin. So I had to work on that. So that's what we're working on. I'll be welding on this here. I just got it, I welded the backside. I did that real quick the other night, so I didn't catch that on the video, but I'll try and get the rest of this filmed so you can follow along on that. I've got it in place. I've got it at 47 inches. Center of pin to center of pin. Before I weld it, I just want to do a quick check, make sure we're square. Now I'm going to just tack it and then test it on the loader. just set the welder up based on the parameters on the Esab for this particular material thickness. Tonight I just did a quick setup. I did not have much left to do on the fork frame. Again, this is just a modification of one I had set up for another tractor. So if I was to do it a brand new, it wouldn't look like this at all. But this should work for the 1025 Deere 2305 that I have, same tractor basically, just older. This thing here will work just fine for the hydraulic capacity that has. I would even put it on a 2 series with no problem. But anyway, so just to kind of wrap this up, where I'm at right now, I went ahead and welded on the weld-on plates. It has the pins. It has the pins for the 1 and I think 2 series, and then the 3 series and 4s as well. Dual pin deal. Got these on Amazon, and I'll have a link in the description for that. But basically right now we're just tacked on. I just laid on a few tacks to hold it in place. And then as soon as I can get the snow blade off the tractor and the loader on, I'll bring it over here to the shop and test fit. If that's all good, then we'll finish welding this in, get her painted, and call this project done. But appreciate you watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and all that. And I will have a link down below if you want to buy me a cup of coffee. That helps support my channel. Thanks a lot, guys, and I hope you have an awesome day.